Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to use the max function in Power BI DAX. It's a simple but powerful function that helps you to find largest value in a column, whether it's sales, dates, or any numeric field in your dataset. Okay, the max function returns the largest value from the given column or set of values. The syntax is very straightforward. Yeah, it is max and the column name. I have a sample sales table here with sales amount, order date, and region columns. Highest sales is equal to what we can write here is max of sales amount. Here you can see highest sales is equal to max of sales amount. Added a card visual to display the result. You will see the largest sales amount in your data set. You can check in the Excel. Here, the largest sales amount is 2,800. So, it returned the correct result here. Max isn't just for numbers. If you use it on the date column, it will return the latest date in that column. For example, here you can see that last order date. It is max of sales of order date. Okay, so it returned the latest date here. This also you can check among all. This is the latest date 2024 5/15. You can also use max with a filter to find the highest sales in the specific region. Okay, let's see here. Here, if I select east or west, in the east or west, which is the highest sales amount that we have to find out. Look at this one. What I have written is max of sales west. Calculate max of sales west, max of sales amount for the region west. So it returned the value 2400. You can check here for the west. We have three values 2300, 2100, and 2400. Here the max value is 2400 and it returned the correct result here. And that's the max function in Power BI. It's super handy for getting top values in your reports, whether it's the largest sales number or latest transaction date. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss more Power BI tips.